Hello students. Today we are discussing the English for competitive exams. How to prepare the English language portion for various competitive exams. Welcome to this session. First of all, whatever competition is there, suppose from any institution, it is RBI, banking, UPSC, SSC, LIC, defense services, tourism, CLAT, income tax, railway, or whatever the competition is. Four things are must: GK, maths, reasoning, and computer. These are the must things. With this, you must have a very strong grip over the English language also. And the most important thing is, whatever is very interesting and important is the language which you have to cover, which is covered in competitive exams. It's a basic, it's of a 10 plus 2 level. The basic concepts of English: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, time and tenses. Basic concepts of English you must know. With this, your vocabulary should be strong. Then there should be practice. And the most important thing, you must be aware about the subject verb agreement, that if the subject is singular, the verb will also be singular. Means she writes a letter. If the subject is plural, your verb should also be plural. They write a letter. With this, now we consult how a question paper is. For various competition, the question paper is like the first of all, there is a comprehension passage. One passage is there, and mostly today, in these days, it's on current topics. You should be aware about the all the current situations, political, economic, various sides. One passage is there. On the basis of that passage, there are questions, and mostly they vary from 6 to 10. You have to understand that para, and then you have to answer those questions. They might be asking about the theme, bold words are there, then you might have to write the word meaning or a synonym or antonym. Means all the questions are based on that single para. Next, in competitive English, you have to do fill in the blanks. There might be single sentence for filling that exam or a full para. You know, a full para is called a clause test. Again, you should understand what the meaning is. Only then you can connect that para and supply the suitable words. There are blanks and words are there. Choice is there. 4 5 choices are there. From that choice, you have to fill in the blank. Besides this, fill in the blanks, you have to spot the error. There, a sentence is divided into parts A, B, C, D, E. Then they ask, where is the error? You have to spot that error, A, B, or C. Error is mostly of a grammatical. It might be of the wrong article, wrong verb. They are asking about where the error is. That is called spotting the error. With this, we have transformation of sentences in clerical exam or particularly in RAS exam. You have to do voice, narration. These idioms and phrases, you must know a lot of idioms and phrases because they are the backbone of any language. They show you have a very good language. Voice, narration, idiom, and phrases you have to do. Besides this, a very important portion is there in competitive English: reordering of sentences. 6 or 7 sentences are there, but they are jumbled. Their sequence is not okay. You have to study that and you have to make that sequence okay. You have to make that para meaningful after making their sequence clear. Then we have you can make your language strong through the basic grammar. Basic concepts, we have Wren and Martin, Lucent, JPH grammar books. These grammars are very good for basic English. The students who want to do practice, they must study Objective English by McGraw-Hill. This is a very good book for practice for competitive English. Besides our own resources, books, we can go for online study. Some paid sites are there like Study Adda, Banker Adda, Olive Board. These are all paid sites. But besides this, many free sites are also available where you can have your study material and a test series. But one thing is important that you must consider, you must differentiate between the fake sites and the genuine site. Go for the genuine sites and practice. This practice is needed for your speed and accuracy. One thing is important in competitive exams. It's not your knowledge. Basically, it's your speed. Speed with accuracy. You should write the correct answers with the speed. That is important in competitive exams. Then, to make your language strong, you should develop your reading, rather you must develop a reading habit, reading newspapers, articles, books that will make your vocabulary strong, your spellings will be correct, your grammar will become strong, and this will develop your communication skills. Then in RAS main exam you have a descriptive portion also. In IAS also descriptive portion is also there. You have to write an essay, letter, application, report, and for this you must practice previous year question papers, you must consult dictionary. Then watch relevant educational videos that help to reinforce your lesson, that will make you more the practice more interesting and engaged. With this, with your own study, with your online study, you must discuss with your friends. There should be group discussion. You should practice and you should read the relevant articles. Thank you, students. I think I have made the question paper of a competition clear, that there is one para, questions based on a passage. Then there will be fill in the blanks. Then there will be spotting the errors. Besides this, basic grammar, active, passive, idioms, phrases, vocabulary items, synonyms, antonyms. In the next session, I'll bring some previous question paper and we will practice that.